Good morning, students. Last week we were studying about a team of workers, correct? And how does all our parts of body or how does our body parts help us to do various types of activities in the day-to-day life, correct? And we had already started with exercise question answers, but then I could give you only some rhyming words. Today I will give you all rhyming words of question number 2 and question number 3. Now question number 3 is rhyming words we have to write down of your own. If you can write down rhyming words of your own, you can write down, otherwise I am giving you that rhyming words also you can write down in the notebook. Okay. Now here first it is told that read the following words from the lesson, find rhyming words. Now in the lesson, what is the rhyming word of take? The rhyming word of take is M-A-K-E, make. Okay, in the lesson. Next one is H-O-P, hop. Rhyming word of hop is S-T-O-P, stop. Okay. Third one is Y-O-U. Rhyming word of Y-O-U is M-O-V-E, move. M-O-V-E, move. Rhyming word of near, N-E-A-R, near is H-E-A-R, here. R-E-S-T, rest, B-E-S-T, best. B-I-T-E, bite. Rhyming word of bite is R-I-G-H-T, right. Bite, right. And deceive, well, I told you deceive means what is meaning of word deceive? I have already told you deceive means not to cheat. Okay, cheating, to cheat. What are the parts of bodies are saying to baby? They are saying that you don't cheat us, don't deceive us. Okay, so rhyming word of deceive will be receive. R-E-C-E-I-V-E, receive. Okay, these are rhyming words from the lesson. Keep in mind, in exam it can come. Now here, now think of rhyming words of the following on your own. आता तुम्ही स्वतः शोधायचे, but as I am there in front of you, I will give you answers. If you want to write down your answers of your own, you can write down. Okay. What can be rhyming word of mouth? Rhyming word of mouth can be south. Yes. So S-O-U-T-H, south. F-E-E-T, fit. Rhyming word of fit can be M-E-E-T, meet. Understood? Rhyming word of wrong, W-R-O-N-G, wrong. Rhyming word of wrong can be song, S-O-N-G, song. Wrong, song. D-R-Y, dry. Rhyming word of dry can be cry, C-R-Y, cry. W-E-A-K, weak. What can be rhyming word of weak? The rhyming word of weak can be big, B-E-A-K, big. And last one is T-I-R-E-D, tired. Rhyming word of tired can be hired. Yes, H-I-R-E-D, hired. I have hired clothes from the market. आपण ज्यावेळेस कपडे भाडोत्री घेतो, correct, that is called hired. Okay, hiring things, to take things on rent. Okay. Now next question is question number 4. With the help of this play, write what the following body parts do. With the help of this play, write what the following body parts do, and we have to arrange those body parts in the alphabetical order. Question number 4. First I will arrange all body parts in alphabetical order. Okay. Now first body part which will come according to the alphabetical order is belly. Second is ears. After that is eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Fourth one is feet, F-E-E-T, feet. Fifth one is hands, H-A-N-D-S, hands. Sixth one will be mouth. and the last one, seventh one body part will be nose. Understood? So belly. Now what is the work of belly? What work does belly do? Belly helps us to digest food. So you can write down digest food. Ears. What do ears do? Ears help us to hear. Ears help us to hear. Eyes. What do eyes do? Eyes help us to see. Eyes help us to read and write. So you can write down read, blink eyes, open and close. So eyes help us to see, read, blink. Okay. In short, we are writing these all answers. What does feet do? What does feet help us to do? Feet help us to walk. They help us to walk, run, jump. Okay. Hands. What is work of hands? Hands help us to lift anything, hold something. Okay, hold something in hand. Then carry things in hand. Okay, that is the work of hands. Next one is mouth. Mouth help us to eat, drink. EAT, eat, DRINK, drink. It is visible. Yes, you should be able to see. Okay. And last one is nose. What is work of nose? Nose help us to breathe. The most important thing which is done by nose is breathe. Breathe and smell. Okay, in this way we have completed question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Now next question is question number 5. Name the body parts that work together when we do the following. Now which body parts help us to ride a bicycle? Now first one, ride a bicycle. Which body parts help us? You can take help of feet, correct? Feet, hands, more eyes to see front side. Okay, so our next question number 5, first answer is feet, hands, eyes. Even belly also helps us, correct or not? You will see how belly helps us. Belly help us to sit. There are main parts of the body which help us to ride bicycle is feet, hands and eyes. Okay. Next one, swim. Now the body parts which help us to swim are hands, legs, or you can say feet, belly. Actually all body parts help us, but then main body parts we are writing. Next one, write the answer to the question, to a question. Hands. Hands and eyes. Eyes, hands. Fourth question which is asked here is, eat our favorite dish. Hand and mouth. Fourth answer is hand and mouth. Fifth one, go home when someone at home calls. Feet. Feet and eyes. Eyes help us to see the way. Sixth one, climb a ladder. Hands and feet. Hands and feet. This much is enough for today. Please complete this all question answers. Question number 2, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5. Please complete it in your English notebook. Okay. Have you understood what I am saying you? There are more some 7, 8, 9, 10 are there, and question number 6 is also there, that we will study in tomorrow's period. Okay, thank you.